my channel, and unfortunately today is the day that most car guys don't look forward to the most. We have a snowstorm coming tomorrow. Winter is definitely on its way, and today is the last drive in my C4 Corvette. So yeah, like I said in the intro there, unfortunately, we got a snowstorm in the forecast. We've already had snow. They've already put down salt, but it wasn't a lot. So we've had some nice weather the past few days. And yeah, I figured, you know, I haven't driven the Corvette in about 2 weeks. I got that 10 Things I Love video out, and pretty much haven't done much of anything since. And it's time to give it one last drive before we park it for the winter, unfortunately. So I figured to change things up here a little bit today. I decided to go Jimbo style today and do today's video kind of basically the same way you know he normally does his videos, and just kind of talk to you about a few things. Enjoy this last ride. Not going to be able to take it out for a couple months after this. So now, of course, with the car being parked for the winter, I have to make a couple decisions on how to proceed with my channel. You know, this has been a great year so far. I'm at almost 300 subscribers. I did not expect that. Of course, you know, it doesn't really mean a lot when it comes to like how big my channel is, but to me, it means a lot because that means there's almost 300 people out there that actually care about, you know, me, my car mostly, and things that I have to say. And, you know, when I got this car back around the 4th of July, you know, I just was like, hey, you know, this would make a good thing to put on my channel. Of course, I've watched channels like Street Speed 717, Guitarmageddon, Zelo 1, Jimbo's channel. I do like Auto Vlog, Dirty Max Jack, a whole bunch of other channels like that. But my original intention for my channel was really and truly going to be about my Jeep. And I got my JK, my four-door Wrangler. I got that a little over a year ago. And I kind of thought, with, you know, how much you can customize those Jeeps, I really did think that the Wrangler was going to be the thing that was going to be the primary focus of my channel. And of course, the opportunity to get this Corvette came along and really kind of changed things up. Now, the problem that I'm going to have going into the winter is I don't want to lose you people that have been watching my channel and enjoying my Corvette videos. But of course, my views on my Corvette videos are definitely out of sync with how many subscribers I have. I mean, having 300 subscribers and having one video that's got 15,000 views, I mean, that doesn't mesh, you know, with the subscribers I have. So I'm definitely getting exposure out there to people other than my subscribers. Going forward, I don't want to lose my viewership, but I'm not going to be able to provide too much Corvette content over the next few months. And of course, I do want to focus on my Jeep. But I do want to take this opportunity to ask you guys, like, what would you really like to see me do? Because, of course, I love my Corvette, and there are some interior things I'm going to do, and I'm going to try and do as much as I can over the winter in my garage and, you know, keep some Corvette content on the channel. But I do want to do a lot of things to my Jeep, and kind of the same thing with winter. It's going to be hard, but there are going to be some things that I'm planning to do. Of course, when the snow starts flying, going out 4x4ing and, you know, driving around snow-filled parking lots and things like that is always, you know, fun things to do. But much like, you know, Mike with Street Speed, you know, is going to be switching over more to his his Duramax for the winter. You know, it's probably going to be a lot more Jeep content. But there, you know, when I made my channel, a lot of the things that I wanted to do was it was more of a variety of ideas that I had, because I'm a movie buff. I like going out and seeing movies. I like doing, you know, I wanted to get into doing film reviews and, you know, my perspectives on things like that. You know, of course, you know, there are a lot of people doing that, but I didn't want my channel just to be a Corvette channel, you know what I'm saying? But the fact, the amount of attention that I have gotten just on this Corvette, yeah, I may actually, you know, I will embrace that, but I do want to be more than just that. The other thing too is there's, you know, a lot of stuff going on out there right now with Bitcoin, with cryptocurrency and stuff like that. And I know a lot of people immediately think, oh, that's ridiculous. I've really started looking into it as of late, and I've found it to be really, really interesting. And I've actually thought about starting to do some videos on that too, because, you know, there's a lot of people like me out there that have absolutely no idea about any of it. And I mean, it really, there is kind of a high learning curve when it comes to actually what's all involved in that. You know, another thing too is you know, I kind of like the geek culture and stuff like that, and you know, there are things that I've, you know, picked up along the way that eventually, once I get my, you know, my den, you know, area sorted out, that I will be doing some videos on and things like that, because I, you know, want to do some reviews of some products and stuff like that. But you know, if I stay completely a Corvette channel, I'm not going to be able to get a lot of content over the winter. So there's definitely going to be more Jeep, but I'd like to know, what would you guys like to see me do with my channel, because I don't want to lose you guys. I mean, and also another way to, you know, find me also is I did open up an Instagram page. I actually didn't get at 13 Scorpio. It's actually at L3 Scorpio, but if you just look up, you know, somebody else had the, you know, the numbers 13 and Scorpio, but they beat me to the punch. But yeah, you can find me on Instagram, and I will be updating, you know, doing a lot of things. And I do have a backlog of Corvette pictures that I will be posting here and there. And of course, when winter rolls in with the Jeep and stuff like that. And of course, you know, if I find some cool things to post on there, I did go to Six Flags Great America a few months back. And when I was there, I posted a little bit of content. So that might be a little bit more of the impromptu content. And I'm definitely in 2018, you know, one thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get more videos out there. I mean, it's, you know, a lot of people don't really understand that you don't just go out, like, I think this has been recording for about 10 minutes now, and the thing is that, you know, you don't just record a video and plop it up there. You know, I mean, there is a lot of time invested in the editing aspect of the videos, and just going back and making good watchable content. Now today is going to be a little bit simpler, because I think one of the problems that I've always had doing this is that I think I spend maybe too much time worrying about what I want to get filmed instead of just filming. So that's kind of why I went Jimbo style on today's video, to talk with you guys about this stuff, because at the end of the day, I mean, I want to give you guys content, and I want to keep you coming back to my channel, but I also don't want to give you crap. You know what I mean? I don't want to just, you know, do and I'm not talking down about anybody that does this, but you know, just the one shot, no edit, no fades, no music, none of that type of stuff. You know, I think most people want, you know, higher quality. Well, I mean, look at the era that we're in, a higher quality expectation of content, and I want to give you guys that as much as possible. But I do film all my videos just with GoPros. I do have an external mic, but it's not a fantastic one, and I will eventually look into upgrading those. If you guys are going to spend your time watching my videos, I want you to enjoy them, and I want to give you the best effort that I can to make this happen. But in 2018, you know, we're only a few days away at this point in time, and I'm going to definitely try and get more content on my channel, but unfortunately, it's just not going to be Corvette. I wish it could be, but until the time comes in my life where I can actually afford to have a Corvette for a daily driver, that I don't care about, you know, the salt corroding the hell out of it and making a mess out of the car, I'm probably not going to have this car for a long time. I mean, this is probably maybe going to be the next year, and then I'm going to move on to something else. But this car has, from what I can tell, I don't think it's ever seen salt and snow. I mean, there's not a spot of rust on it. And of course, I'm not talking about the body, I'm just talking in general. I mean, besides maybe some surface rust underneath, overall, this car is, you know, I mean, this could have been in the South most of its life, because Corvettes do not get driven in winter. And you know, I have no reason to risk it right now. I have no need to really go and drive it, other than wanting to make content for you guys. I'm not going to ramble on too much longer. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this drive, and we're going to head back. We're going to park it, and we're going to say goodbye to the Corvette for 2017, most likely at this point. It's kind of disappointing that we're definitely here now, but yeah, the last ride in my C4 Corvette. But anyways, give me your feedback on this video. I love hearing from you guys, and I want to sincerely thank you all for making 2017 a great year for me on YouTube. You know, like I said, I'm at almost 300 subscribers, been growing strong and everything like that. So sincerely thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to all my viewers. And of course, as I said before, check me out on Instagram. You can find me at 13 Scorpio. I may eventually get to a Facebook page and some other stuff, but give me your feedback. I want to hear from you guys. Let me know what you want to see going forward out of my channel. And as always, if you like my video, give it a big old thumbs up. Throw your comments down below. Subscribe if you like what I'm doing. Take care. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.